Welcome to Tasly Dgoteam Digital Academy YouTube channel. Tasly Dgoteam Digital Academy YouTube channel is a place where you unlock digital opportunities through digital education. Oh, what are you waiting for? Press that subscribe button that is showing right there on your screen. Press it. Oh, press it. Our lesson for today is how to create hyper-realistic images. How to create hyper-realistic images. That is our lesson for today in this YouTube channel. Now, how do we create hyper-realistic images? Let me show you some of them. This is it. This one. This is another. There is another. These are just few of them. So in this channel, we are going to create, in this lesson today, we are going to create hyper-realistic images. And how do we go about it? The first thing you need to do is that you need to have a prompt. That's the first step. This is step to create this kind of hyper-realistic images. Now, Tasly Dgoteam Digital Marketing Text to Image AI lesson. Now, the first thing you need to do is that you need a prompt. I'll show you how to get a prompt, where to get the prompt from. You need a prompt. And the second thing is that you need Google Gemini. You need to download Google Gemini from Play Store. And the next is that you upload the image, upload a chat picture of yourself, preferably front-facing portraits. You need a picture of yourself. That's just it. You need a sharp image, a sharp picture of yourself. Number 4, paste the prompt inside Gemini text box and feel free to edit any part of the prompt to your tastes. And the last is what? Choose the option, create image or send. So what all these things means is that you want to create hyper-realistic image. The first thing you need is a prompt. Let me show you a prompt from this channel. It was this prompt here. Create a photo shoot picture using the upload image, retain the exaggerate. So this is the prompt that created this. That's why I said from here that you need a prompt. That's the first thing you need. So they say copy the prompt. You will copy this prompt if you want to create hyper-realistic image. Then what next? Go to Gemini application, either web or whichever one, and do what? And paste. Look at our Gemini. You get this application and download it on your phone. And what? And paste the prompt. There's a text box where to paste the what? The prompt. It's very easy. Then the next thing is upload a chat picture of yourself. After pasting the prompt, you upload a chat picture of yourself. When you upload a chat picture of yourself, the prompt you have pasted, you can do what? You can do 1 or 2 adjustments. Unlike you will see different prompts in this Telegram channel. You can do 1 or 2 adjustments on this prompt that I will be giving you. If you are part of us as a student in this Telegram channel, you see that you can get all this prompt in this channel. So that is it. So when you have gotten the prompt, you have edited part of the prompt. The next thing you do, upload your image. Upload your image. Upload your image. And when you have uploaded your image, the next thing is do what? You send. Press the send icon there, or send keys there on your Google Gemini. And that's all. That's it. It's as simple as ABCD. Then your image is being created. Let's dive into the practical aspect of it. Now we have our prompt ready. This is our prompt. We have our prompt. You can see a lot of prompts in the Telegram channel. There are a lot of prompts there. So we have our prompt. What I'll do now, I'll copy these prompts. You can find so many prompts in the Telegram channel. Copy these prompts. Like I said earlier, the next thing is to do what? Go to Google Gemini. And I'm using this Google Gemini now. I'm logging in through a browser. This is a laptop I'm using. I log into Google Gemini. Now we have gotten to Google Gemini. Now this is where you have to paste the prompt. Paste it here. Look at this cursor blinking. Paste it there. You paste the prompt. I've done mine. I pasted the prompt. The next thing you need to do, if you look at what I said earlier, after pasting the prompt, you need a picture of yourself. Now, how do you do that? You click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign here. It will take you where? It will take you to your gallery, your phone gallery or your laptop, whatever. Then click on what? Insert. Automatically the picture will appear here. You see the picture here? You see the picture? The picture has appeared here. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on this. Just click on this button. The submit button. Just click on it. I'm clicking now. That's all. What you will see is that Google Gemini will now generate you what? Image that matches this prompt. The image that matches this very prompt that you have given it. That's just it. Google Gemini will now generate an image for you. Image that matches this your prompt. And that's what you are seeing Google Gemini doing. That's why I said it is very simple as what? ABC. If you find this lesson or this training very interesting, and to encourage us, I will advise you to do just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. You can see what the prompt has given me. Isn't it wonderful? Is this not beautiful? So what you need to do is that you click on download. You click on download. When you click on download, it will download directly into your gallery. It's as simple as this. It's not hard. It's very simple. So don't forget, click on the subscribe button because we'll be dropping other videos relating to this prompt to image creation. This AI test prompt to what? To image creation. It's as simple as what? A, B, C. Thank you for watching, and once again, don't forget to do what? To click on the subscribe button. You see, it has been downloaded. All you need to do is go to your gallery, you see it there. Once again, thank you for watching. God bless you.